Make your point on the News Hour. Join Arnab every night on the News Hour with your question. Ask your question and join the debate.
The Uttar Pradesh government has submitted a preliminary report on Kairana to the Union Home Ministry. A detailed report will be submitted in the next 48 hours. The MHA had earlier rejected the Kairana District Magistrate's report that was submitted to the Home Ministry. What we are given to understand is that this particular report that has been submitted by the Uttar Pradesh government talks about the fact that what is happening in Kairana is a larger issue of migration and not specifically detailed to one gender. Earlier, do remember that the Ministry of Home Affairs had rejected the Kairana DM's report, which also essentially talked about the same thing, saying that there were various reasons for these families to migrate out of Kairana, and also that various other parts of Uttar Pradesh are seeing this kind of migration. The state government, of course, is continuing to focus on the fact that this perhaps could be due to a lack of jobs.
यहाँ से जा रहे हैं, क्या कारण है, किधर जा रहे हैं, क्या कार्रवाई फैक्ट फाइंडिंग टीम आपकी करेगी?
हमारी जो जांच टीम आई है, जांच दल आया है, वो पीड़ित परिवारों से मिलेगा और यहाँ के जो हालात हैं, जिस हालात के कारण ये घटनाएं हुई हैं, जिस हालात के कारण लोगों का पलायन हुआ है, उन तमाम तथ्यों की जांच करेगा। जो लोग पीड़ित हैं उनसे मुलाकात करेगा, यहाँ का जो प्रशासनिक तंत्र है उससे बातचीत करेगा और यहाँ जो एटमॉस्फेयर ये पैदा हुआ है, ये माहौल पैदा हुआ है, उसका अध्ययन करेगा और तमाम रिपोर्ट को विस्तृत अध्ययन करने के बाद सरकार को सौंपेगा।
आपने कहा कि आपकी जांच की कमेटी जो है वो अध्ययन करेगी। आपको लगता नहीं कि इस मुद्दे को उठाने से पहले, जो इतना मुद्दा इतना बड़ा हो चुका है, इसको उठाने से पहले कहीं ना कहीं इस कमेटी दल को जाना चाहिए था कराना में और इसकी जांच करनी चाहिए थी, उससे पहले इसको इतना बड़ा बनाने की बजाय?
नहीं, हम लोगों ने पूरी जांच करके पूरा विषय समझ के हमने विधानसभा में लगातार इस विषय को हम 3 साल से उठा रहे हैं। ये विषय कोई आज का विषय नहीं है, लगातार 3 साल से हम लोग उठा रहे हैं। पलायन शब्द का जब इस्तेमाल होता है, पलायन शब्द उस समय होता है जब भय का आतंक चरम पर हो, भय का वातावरण चरम पर हो, लोगों के अंदर कहीं ना कहीं सुरक्षा का भाव हो। असुरक्षा का भाव हुआ रंगदारी के कारण, गुंडागर्दी के कारण, कहीं ना कहीं तमाम प्रकार का जो तांडव हुआ उसके कारण असुरक्षा का भाव हुआ। लगातार 3 साल से तो हम विषय को विधानसभा में उठा रहे हैं। उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री चाहते तो 3 साल का समय उन्हें मिला था, 3 साल पहले कहीं ना कहीं इस स्थिति को नियंत्रण कर सकते थे। और मैं तो अब भी मुख्यमंत्री जी से कह रहा हूँ, वो लगातार जो सूची आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री सांसद जी के द्वारा सौंपी गई है, उस सूची को लगातार झूठा साबित करने में लगे हुए हैं। मैं मुख्यमंत्री जी से कह रहा हूँ, आप कैराना आइए, आप कैराना आइए, हम लोग आपका स्वागत करेंगे। आप कैराना आइए, आप कांदला आइए।
Fact finding committee. Why was this committee, sir, formed in the very first place?
See, the way this local MP, he has given, you must be knowing, he has collected some of the facts when people complain to him that many of the people are running away because of so much, there is a terror in the area.
The terror by who?
Terror by the gangs. There are so many gangs here operating.
So, but why is the BJP trying to claim this as a exodus of only Hindus? Because that's what Hukum Singh had said.
That is also a fact. That is also a fact because
that it's an exodus of only the Hindus.
It's a true fact. That is also true.
That there is only exodus of the Hindus?
Yes, sir.
So, but isn't that a very strong statement coming in from you? Because Hukum Singh has taken made a U-turn and said that it is not only of the Hindus. So, sir, why is the BJP really categorically only targeting the Hindus at this point of time?
It's a very unfortunate situation in Kairana, and the way the people are deposing in confidence to the committee. It's the way Babu Hukum Singh has given, perhaps this situation is really more grim and more serious.
So you do agree that it is a mass exodus of only the Hindus because
I would not call it mass exodus, but there is an exodus. People are really terror-stricken. Psychologically, they are broken, and they require that there must be some sense of protection given to them. That is totally lacking.
So is that community-based? Are you saying that it's only particular communities who are doing this?
Because what is happening, unfortunately, because these gangs, these criminals, they belong to a particular community, and the targets, the victims, they come from other community. That is one unfortunate.
Really, that means that you are saying that Muslims are targeting the Hindus.
That is why you should personally go. I would also request you, please don't believe the list or the report or version given by the state government. See to yourself. Then you will come to what is happening. Even what is happening to the media person, the way you cannot go and collect the real version of the people.
And this report, sir, that you are preparing, will it be submitted to the state unit and the party president Amit Shah?
Later on I will give you after we finish one more we are going. I will tell you.
I think the BJP leadership totally stands exposed how they wanted to exploit the situation and wanted to tell the people that this is on religious lines or because of the animosity between Hindus and Muslims, but it turned out to be totally the migration on the economic basis, not on the religious basis. And this is what we are afraid of, that having an eye on coming elections, assembly elections, they make small issues also big issues, and they try to polarize the situation in Uttar Pradesh, which each person or each individual or each citizen of Uttar Pradesh has to keep in mind that they have to be very cautious as and when the BJP says something.